Hey? 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 Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you can go ahead and click below and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to be notified every time I post a mother freaking video. Today's video is going to be on how I achieve this bomb chunky twist out. And if you are ready to do this twist out, then keep on watching. Put these ears away. Oh more, I got the horses in the band. Okay. What? Okay, the products we are going to use is the shampoo, tropical moringa vitamin choice, and the conditioner. These products together, like 1, 2 together. The shampoo, you only need like, it say a small size. It say a small size, but you probably need like a nickel. Your hair will be all lather and everything. Now this one, you probably will only need a dime size amount. This thing got a lot of slip, and detangling your hair is so easy. And it's moisturizing. Like I didn't even have to use a deep conditioner. The other products we're gonna use today is the Kinky Curly, not today. I'm gonna put this into a little spray bottle. Warm water or hot water, don't matter, the same thing. Y'all, don't judge me. I'm gonna use a denim brush. And this thing is jacked up, but you know what? Still work. So we're gonna use some clips. A comb for your part.
Gangsters on the beat.
This is gonna be my last time getting interrupted. It better. I'm actually gonna grab some of this Eco Styler gel and put on my edges to slick the front part down so it's be so frizzy and all that stuff. Yeah.
I'm gonna let you get out.
Don't you hate it when your parents be calling you, right? Right? And you're thinking it's something important, then it be nothing. Whatever. Making my hair dry. guys tomorrow for the takedown. I let them dry overnight. I would send out a dryer, but I don't feel like it. See y'all tomorrow. For this step, you're gonna need some type of oil. I don't care what type of oil. My dumb self did not buy any oil when I did that product haul. Anyways, I'm in the kitchen and I got me some olive oil. Y'all, that glaze gave me great definition. Hair feels soft. It feels freaking soft. Like, soft, like, it looks great. You can't tell me otherwise. I will not listen. I shall not listen. Anywho, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, this looks great.